Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I have a stencil only single layer Easter card to share with you. I'm going to use this gorgeous new Happy Easter stencil. It's part of the March release at a Colorful Life Designs. I'm going to work directly on a card base of heavyweight cardstock, and I'm going to use the Spring Fling Party Collection inks from Catherine Pooler. And I do have pixie spray on the back of this stencil just to make sure all these little parts stay down. But guys, I'm telling you, this card came together in just a couple minutes. Now here's a photo of the finished card to show you where we're going. But basically, I love designs like this. I think they're genius because they have the sentiment built in, for one. It's a gorgeous design. It plays well with my clean and simple sort of desire. I like a lot of white space. And they're just so time saving. And if you know me, you know I love to batch. You know I love to save time. And designs like this are just so clever. So this would be an awesome design. Maybe you donate cards to your church. Maybe you're part of a card drive. Or maybe you just don't have a lot of time to spend on your cards this year. So this is such a cool design because it's nice and flat, easy to ship, and does not take a lot of time to create a beautiful card to share for this Easter. So here I'm just going to work through 4 different colors here in my blending brushes, and I'm just holding everything down right on my craft mat. This is a new craft mat. It's kind of a recent purchase. It's magnetic. It holds the whole shebang down for me, and I absolutely love it. So I will link that as well as all the other details regarding the products in the video description box below. But more about this March release. So it is, obviously it has some Easter stuff, has lots of spring stuff, some pretty florals and botanicals, but a lot of them, especially the botanicals, are super versatile. You can use them year round. And there's even a stamp set. So it's only the 3rd ever to be released in the shop, and it's a really versatile year-round sort of stamp set. So be sure to check out the rest of the release. Like I said, I'll have that linked below in the video description box. And use my coupon AmyFan10 and you'll save 10% on your complete order if you shop. So you can see how quickly this came together. I'm just going to carefully remove the stencil. If you get any residual pixie spray, just use an adhesive eraser just to kind of get that off the front of your card. I don't find that always happens, but I find towards the end of my bottle, if it starts to get a little bit kind of chunky with my pixie spray, then I'm more prone to have a little bit of residue. But again, like I said, if you have an adhesive eraser, it'll take it right off. So here I'm just adding a little bit of blingage. These are kind of flat back sequins with no holes in them. They're just some pretty iridescent pastel colors. And I use some liquid glue to put that down in even numbers. And just to add a little bit of something extra, I'm just going to round 2 of the corners because I feel like it goes well with the round shape of the design. But overall, very simple, nice white space around the design, and came together super quickly. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And do be sure to check out the rest of the release because, like I said, there are loads of awesome new goodies to look at. So thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.